Now some of introduction of Go. Go language provide a special feature is known as goroutines. A goroutine is a function or method which execute independently and simultaneously in connection with any other goroutines present in your program, or other words, every concurrently executing activity in Go language is known as goroutine. You can consider a goroutine like a lightweight thread. The cost of creating goroutine is very small as compared to thread. Every program contains at least a single goroutine, and that goroutine known as the main thread, like a Java program which have one thread. Now all the goroutine are working under the main goroutine. If the main goroutine terminated, then all the goroutine present in the program also terminated. Goroutine always work in background. So we see the first goroutine program. Okay, now we make one function like a function display. Function display. Okay, in function display string okay, we take a loop start from 0 to 5 and print str. Okay, like a main function, we call function display hello. Okay, now run. To run a Go program, go run. See the hello print 5 times. Now we run a Go routine which start from Go keyword. Every function which is Go routine start with the Go keyword. So go and see, we can't get any output. Why we can't get any output? See, when we display Go display, the another one is normal function and good, but there is problem. It only display the result of normal function when we display run the program, but not display the result of Go routine, because when new Go routine executed, the Go routine call return immediately. The control does not wait for Go routine to complete their execution. Just like normal function, they always move forward to the next line after the Go routine call. Okay, so we write some test. Okay, so we import time package to test the function. Okay, now function display. Okay, Go display and display Go line. Okay, now see, oh, but not use. Okay, some problem is there. Okay, not use. Okay, so we see, test this. Okay, time dot sleep, we sleep this. Okay, time dot second, then print. Now see, check this, the output hello Golang, hello Golang, hello Golang is thread execution in Go routine. Okay, we added the sleep method in our program which make the main Go routine sleep 1 second in between 1 second. New Go routine execute display welcome means Golang and hello in the program. So some of the advantage of Go routine are Go routines are cheaper than thread. Okay, and second is Go routine are stored in the stack, and the size of stack can grow and shrink according to requirement of the program. But in thread in Java, the size of stack is fixed, so it is which is very great to use Go. Now we see the another anonymous Go routine. So we can copy this program and make it 1.2. okay, and see, we remove this function, and okay, we remove this also. Now see, print welcome to main function. Okay, now create anonymous Go routine function. Okay, fmt dot println. Okay, welcome to Golang. Now calling and write keyword go. Okay, now time dot sleep 1 time dot seconds. Okay, and write bye bye. Okay, now print now see the welcome to main function, welcome to Golang. This is anonymous function,